First run of the season, y'all. The time is here. We're packing up here with the climbing yogi, getting ready to go to Killington. They're open. We're feeding. It's only one trail, but hey, I gotta show my commitment for this season because I can't wait to get out there. Definitely taking the Jones Mountain Twin. We got all of our stuff here. We're gonna camp in the car today. So we have this. It's called the Test Mat. We're just excited for this little road trip.
Yes, we are.
4 hours up, 4 hours down for one trail, baby. One trail, baby. Let's go. Can't forget the beef jerky, baby. Got some water, we got some electrolytes. Let's get out of here. Yo, we just pulled up to charge and heading to Stewart's for some nice needed restroom and some goodies for tomorrow morning.
Probably go with the Cliff chocolate peanut butter.
Bananas are no good. You know me and Malka, you know what time it is. It don't matter where we go, what the conditions are. We gotta bust out the rummy, baby. Getting the cars going. Let's show you guys a little shuffle real quick. Round two, baby. Round two. Cheers.
Cheers.
And just like that. Damn it. I still think I got more points though. Alright, boys and girls. We're losing for now, but it's not over. It's a long race. It's a marathon. She won the battle, but the war is not over. Alright, we're gonna end it now. We're about to dip so we can get some early sleep, but she's winning for now. We just made it to the Skybridge Lodge or the Skybridge Base. I forgot what it's called, but I think this is the only parking spot we can stay in. Yeah, we got our own little personal bathroom right here. You couldn't get a better spot than this.
We're about to watch Invincible. We have to watch some TV. Have a White Claw.
Good morning. So this is where we're parked. We got some heavy duty construction vehicles here. We got a porta potty. It can't be more convenient. Nice little spot here. Got all the conveniences. We drove up here after work yesterday, Friday night. We're up here in Vermont. And we had dinner about an hour and a half away on the way here. Slept beautiful. The charge only went down by 8%. It's 33 degrees out here. It's 72 degrees in there. Malka's still sleeping. The boards getting acclimated. You already know. So K1 Lodge opens for breakfast at 8:30. It's like 8:20. So you already know we about to eat some good ass breakfast, and then we hit in the slopes. Let's get it. They're starting to send the gondolas up. How you feeling?
A little nervous, but I'm excited.
First gondola of the season, baby. First run of the season, y'all. We're about to get a park lap. Hopefully I catch something, you know. Maybe the jump. We'll see.
Sorry, I missed you. So far, so good. I think I got my snow legs back.
Yeah, she's doing them quick turns. Got that on the footage. We got the sun out there. Got the beautiful bluebird. Yeah. We're already 10 plus runs deep. Malka wants to take a break. We're about to hike it up to the top of the mountain. And then I'm gonna get more park runs. Let's get it. In the books, baby. Let's go.
Thank you so much.
That's all she wrote.
That's all she wrote, baby.
We're going home.